Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make banana peel liquid fertilizer for your plants using some banana peels. First of all, you have to collect some good banana peels and you have to slice them into smaller sizes using a sharp knife, as I am doing here. You have to slice them like this at a size more than 3 centimeters. Banana peel fertilizer is a very good fertilizer for all your garden plants. This contains lot of organic matters to help the growth of your plants. So our banana slices are almost ready. You have to prepare your banana peel slices like this, exactly like this. Now what I am going to do is transfer these banana peels into another container. As you can see here, I am using a glass container and pouring some water into it. I am filling half of the bottle with the water, and now I am going to transfer these banana peels into this. And after that I am going to keep it for 3 days. In these 3 days the organic matters in the banana peels will degrade into the water. Okay, let me place it aside and wait for 3 days. You have to place it in an area, a shaded area. Okay, this is how it looked like after 3 days. You can see the solution is more turbid, and I am going to separate the liquid from the degraded banana peels. For that I am going to filter the liquid out into another container. As you can see here, I am going to filter the liquid into another container. You can see the color change in the solution. It becomes more turbid after 3 days. This contains lot of organic matters. Believe me friends, this is a very good fertilizer for your plants. You have to collect all of the liquid from by filtering. Okay, now our liquid fertilizer is almost ready. I will show you the fertilizer. This is how it looked like after the filtering. Okay, now I am going to show you how to use this to your plants. You can pour directly into the container or place where you have planted your plants. Okay friends, this is how to prepare banana peel liquid fertilizer at your home. If you like my video, please hit that like button and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.